Hello, we are back. Fix it, Age trying to fix it. And it is a flamingo. It's my pink flamingo, it's my neon flamingo, which I've called Sonny Crockett, because I like Miami Vice.
Showtime.
And it does work, as you can see. The problem is, and I think it's the switch, after it's been sat for a few minutes, and I don't know if you're picking that up on the screen, but after it's been sat for a few minutes, it starts flickering, and then it tends to go off. Yeah. Now, yeah, I am simulating that, but that's what happens. So it'll be sat there, doing nothing, and then it'll start flickering and go off. So, I think, personally, is these switches here, right, these are only cheap switches, and they tend to go all the time. So my idea is, and it's just an idea at this stage, it might not work, probably won't, but I've got these switches, these little toggle switches here, right? Now, could I reroute this switch? Replace this switch? Now, I can't obviously put it there because it's a toggle switch. But what if I put it around the back here, put a hole here, screw it in around the back? So that's my theory, anyway. So hopefully this is going to be a video that falls under my quick fix video. Get my words out today. My quick fix videos. So let's take this apart. Me and this flamingo's been through a lot together. Nam, Budapest, Scunthorpe. Right. Let's see what's what when I take this out now. Right, okay. That's handy. So it's just springs that connect. So power goes through these springs, then up to your... That's quite nifty, actually. Here's the switch with this resistor going through. So that's the positive and that's the negative, and the negative goes through this resistor. So the negative's attached to the switch, goes through to the resistor. So if I put the switch there, if I put the switch here, all I have to do then is run this resistor to the one point of the switch, and then let's get it all out now. So it's a wash it. I have to use a small one anyway. What I'm gonna have to do then, because these connectors, because it's got so many connections, I'm gonna have to test which ones are which, and where I'm gonna have to go. So it's just moving from point to point now. So let's check this now, right? So there to there. That's off. Right, okay. So it's to the middle and the end. Right. So what I'm going to do So I'm not just going to run that wire, I'm going to actually run a bit more, a bit of a longer length of wire. Should do. Let's get this. Here we are. Do the same this end. Right, there we are. Should have used black, come to think of it, but doesn't matter. So, do I need to do that? Don't think I'll need to, will I? Might have just wasted a bit of wire there, right? So let's move this out the way first. All we need to do is put an hole in the back of this. So I'm not going to be too methodical with this, to be honest with you. So if I say here, because that looks centered to me. Right. Yeah, centered enough. Right. Let's get my little Dremel tool. Right. Let's just get on with it.
Come on! Yeah! What do you want? Say please.
The build up of plastic on this drill bit. Oh well. There we are. Okie doke. Okie doke. Here it is, look. Okie doke. Can't help it, can I? Okay, so I found the nut for it. So let's gently screw that on. See, that's what I don't want to happen. See, I don't want it to turn. Here we are. Right, so again, I need to establish what's on and off. That's on. That's off. Right, okay. Right, so I need to now run these two to there. Get that dust and that out of there now. So I need to run these two to there. So. and then take that switch out because I don't want it connecting to anything, shorting anything out, kids. Look at that. You have to clean that off now. So let's desolder that. And that. We are. I don't know how to replace this wire, see. It's a bit flimsy. Yeah, I am going to use this after all. Nice blob of solder on it. I'll come it this way. There we are. No, lovely. I was just about to say nice then, that's Steve's. Right. Right, I'm going to feed that in here and around. I could get the little tiny spade connectors, but I haven't got them, so I've used them all, I think. So there's that. I'm just going to solder that in now. A lovely big blob on it. There we are. It's holding nice and tight. So do I try and fiddle that in, or do I run a wire? Run a wire. I'll use black this time. Doesn't need to be too long. One, two. There we are. So what we're going to do is lay our back down so it's out of the way. Wrap this around that. Oh, come on. Finally. Right, that's that. Fit that in there now. And around and away from the other one. Lovely. Solder it in. Well, melting that one. I am actually going to have to run a separate wire again away from there. All the best laid plans, isn't it? So if I get black again, just so I can get that resistor out of the way. Great, lovely. Right, just get some solder on that. Marvellous. So now I can run that down there. Out the way. That's shut now. I'll just get this wire through. There. That way. The truth. Hey, look at that. That is much better. There we are. I like that. Happy days. There we go then. Just a quick one from me today. Fixing my neon pink flamingo. Sonny Crockett from Miami Vice. And I'm happy with that. Just rerouting the switch. I will see you soon. Tidy but ta-da.